So we can see here the student details by birth, date, start date or start date and end date between 1900 January 1 and 1995 to January 1 and 1. Say 1905 June 27, 1995 December 29. Sorry, 1995 June 12, 1990 September 27, 1990 April 11, 1992 November 24. So now second step. Step 2, we now make the procedure. So now we can see that we are convinced that we have tested this declare. We are happy that this is working now. So we need to, so now we will make the procedure. So to make the procedure we need to remove this declare, and then we will just create procedure get students details by birth date. Okay, and then we will make this as well a comment and this as well a comment, and we will write these two things called as and begin, and then after that select from students this comment. So as it is beginning, so it will have an end. Okay, so get procedure. So I think this command will now create a procedure. Let's create the procedure. So command successfully completed. So now we need to find out where this procedure is stored. So in this left hand side of the screen you can see the database is school. In the school database we can see the programmability. Inside the programmability we can see the stored procedure, right? So if I refresh this one, then we just find out that the stored procedure is created and then stored in our programmability stored procedure. So before moving further, let me write the steps here clearly. So what we did is in second step we create the procedure, and for that what did we do? We remove the easily declare, and then made other things as a comments. Okay, and then added as begin and the end, and query. Okay, let's get to the question now. So we already found that our procedure is stored here, so let me execute this query. So if I execute this query, start date and end date. Okay, so if I want 1990 on 1997 1001. So if you want to take the student details by birth in between 1990 to 1997, and then we click again, so we can see, so our store procedure has executed like this, and then we can see that the people born between 1990 and 1997 are these guys. Okay, if you yeah, between 1990 and 1997, so it gets executed like this. So whatever we do here, it gets executed. So currently it is showing 1990 and 1997 January 1, January 1. So if you want to again execute for the next, find the student details by next birth. Suppose you want to find from 1800 January 1 to 1992 01. Okay, so now we'll get lots and lots of students. Because birth is in 1894, 1894, 1892 to 1905, 1900, 1990, and then 1990. Let's execute again. We want to get days, find more and more. Let's to practice 1800 01 to 1900. Okay, 01. Then see, there are only students of birth at 1894, 94. Okay, so one way of doing or executing the procedure is in this way, such as right clicking the procedure and then executing the stored procedure. In other way, we can just type simply one code, a one line statement such as exec and the stored procedure name that I have created here, and then input our required inputs, such as the birth date from 1890 to